Moderation is founded on a principal rule, proper thinking, attained through learning skills that form a comprehensive personality, and the pivotal role of the family and education institutions, whose environments shape the minds and conscience of the youth, for their outputs will be as competent and sincere as their message. One of the most prominent pillars of moderation in Islam is that its provisions combine firm roots and flexible branches. Therefore, scholars decided that fatwas and provisions can change according to the changing times, places, conditions, customs, and intentions. In this regard, Ibn al-Qayyim said, "This chapter yields great benefits, and ignorance of it leads to great mistakes in the name of Sharia."